All right, what's going on, YouTube? Today we got a cool video for y'all. We going to Home Depot. We picking up some wood. We showing you how to make sure everything is straight, how to make sure everything is right for all the panels and anything you want to build. And then we going into the garage. We making a couple panels. We making a cloud. You're gonna see Jacob making a cloud. And y'all just gonna get the full visual of our workflow when we got the full team here. Also wanted to say thank you to everybody that subscribed, even the viewers that's just watching it. Just like and subscribe to videos, man. It really help out. Thank you. Yeah, check the video out.
You got a big bark, but you're not a dog. When we talk about the cash, and you're not involved. I'ma hit it one time, then I'm not involved. Look, young nigga riding, and I got it all. Yeah, you got a big bark, but you're not a dog. When we talk about the cash, and you're not involved. I'ma hit it one time, then I'm not involved. Look, young nigga riding, and I got it all.
Here, get on this.
Let's look for the straight ones. Y'all can look for the straight ones and see. Yeah, these probably like the ones in the back. You see how that shit curves? So you see how the back was laying flat straight? That was very looking.
Keep it going.
We still getting the plywood?
Yeah, I'll get them. I'll pay for them. Get them and pay for them after.
Yeah, we starting the YouTube, man. EDG. Yeah, we build studios and stuff.
Yeah, check us out, man. Follow us, man.
Yeah, EDG Acoustics.
You're gonna be on there.
Is it easy to find you on Instagram like that?
Yeah, it's literally just EDG Acoustics.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Is it like music? You guys do music? Or?
Yeah, music studios.
Well,
we
he do music. He sell beats all day long.
Yeah.
So.
And that's cool though. Like that. That's actually a good way to start.
To tie in.
I don't play music. I don't play an instrument.
Yeah.
But I know what could be. And that's a cool way to start, man.
Yeah.
That's dope.
It just tie into
And
each other.
Father, I'm assuming.
Yeah.
Dude, that's dope, dude. Like
Yeah.
to have that support, and I see the whole family's here, dude. That's dope. Like I love it. That's great.
Appreciate it, man. Thank
You
you.
guys have a good day.
Yeah.
God bless you guys, all right?
Thank you, bro.
Thank you.
Huh?
Yeah, y'all can put it in the truck. I'm gonna go get something for the nails and shit. Yeah.
You said you was from the what?
Yeah. You can put it in the truck with them. Right there. We need like 3 packs of those. No. Let's get one more pack. got a lot of the other nails on.
We need the long nails.
Yeah, you think I should get some shorter ones?
I think we only got one, like a full pack of the long, like the inch long.
I got the shorter ones too there. That's a pack
Okay.
of them.
Yeah, that's cool. I think we good.
We need sandpaper?
Yeah.
Swerve, keep it going.
No, I got the big pack I can cut.
Okay. Hey, what's your name, man?
Jacoby, man.
Jacob B. What's the deal, man? Yeah. Young EDG.
The fresh EDG on.
Yes, sir. Just grab some wood. What we do?
I don't know what to say.
We good? Yeah, man. So we just grabbed a gang of wood. We finna build a gang of panels. You know, this keep us busy for the next couple days until somebody hit us up for all them panels. Probably grab like 20 pieces of wood, make like 10 pieces. Oh yeah, you good, man. You good. Thank you, man. Sorry about that. Yeah, we grabbed like 20 pieces of wood. Yeah, I think we'll be good for a couple days, man, at least. That's your home too. Hey, this little Swerve and Big June, and you watching Disney Channel.